Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a high-limit thermostat in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws to release the upper rear access panel brace. Next, unthread all of the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Note the location of the wires connected to the thermostat you're replacing, then disconnect them. Unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the old thermostat from the back panel. Install the new high-limit thermostat by aligning it on the back panel, then secure it with the mounting screws. Connect the wires to the terminals. Replace the support cover if necessary, then reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. Reposition the upper rear access brace and thread the screws to hold it in place. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.